here's the entrance to the guest room. It's not a big room. There's a very old ceiling fan in there. And I don't know if you can tell, it looks sort of gray, but it is a baby blue. And here is the bed frame that we are getting ready to put here in the center. I bought a king size bed, and this is a hella old ceiling fan that's gonna go. The window shades will stay, but I do have window treatments. And then coming over here, we have a closet. So closet, and this is the whole space. I think it's like a 10 by 19 room. So, all right guys, this is what I'm working with. So I'm excited. I have such great vision for it. Let's see this room come together. I do really like these curtains. They are linen. Enchanté. So I'm really happy with the transformation. It took us probably about, I want to say, a week to sort of like kind of get the whole gist of what we were going to do down, and then maybe another week later to sort of pull it all together. And that's including waiting for the shipments, going out to the store and picking everything up. So I sort of knew I wanted French vibe, minimal vibe, and then I had to sort of like plan where I was going to get all my items, and then paint and construct the border around the wall and sort of put everything together. So that's the most exciting part. But anyway guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I try to post weekly for you guys. So leave a comment down below and let me know how you like the transformation, if you want me to continue making more of these videos, because I'm making more videos. My house is still under some minor construction. We have some rooms that we're currently working on. So I will be updating you guys along with the progress and what we've already finished, and be filming that for you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video soon.